All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India will co-develop the Pantasir S-1 short-range air defense system, which has so far kept Russian Patriarch Vladimir Putin's residence on Valday Lake safe from Ukrainian drones. The two countries have inked an agreement to co-develop the air defense system, which NATO reports as Sa-22 Greyhounds. India has integrated its recently acquired S-400, NATO reporting name, Sa-21 Growler, long-range air defense system and is still awaiting 2 units. While the deal for the long-range surface-to-air missile created consternation in Western countries, New Delhi did manage to avoid sanctions through its diplomatic dexterity. The Ukraine war has slowed arms trade between the two countries. Now, they are collaborating to develop new iterations of the Pantasir S-1 close-in air defense system. This system is designed to defend ground installations against various aerial threats, such as fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, ballistic and cruise missiles, precision-guided munitions, and unmanned air vehicles. It can also engage light armored ground targets. Bharat Dynamics Limited announced on X the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Rosoboronexport. Bharat Dynamics Limited and Rosoboronexport, RO, Russia entered into an MoU for cooperation on Pantasir variants, air defense missile gun systems. The MoU was signed by Commodore A. Madhva Rao, retired, CMD, BDL, and Mr. Kovalenko German, DDG, Naval Department, RO on the sidelines of 5th IRIG subgroup at Goa. The India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission, IRIG, has 2 divisions, the Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Cooperation, IRIG-Tech, co-chaired by the EAM from India and First Deputy Prime Minister, DPM, Denis Manchurov from Russia, and the Military and Military Technical Cooperation, IRIG-M and MTC, headed by the defense ministers of the two countries. Along with the S-400, the Pantasir SAM plays a vital role in India's layered air defense network. Its capabilities are particularly suited for protecting critical infrastructure, such as military bases and command centers, from diverse aerial threats. Russia uses Pantasir S-1 to shield its military-industrial facilities. The system, priced at $15 million, is known for its ability to intercept complex, low-radar signature targets and high-precision projectiles from multiple launch rocket systems. Russia has accelerated the production of these systems to meet increasing demand, and Rostec continues to develop new versions of the system. Pantasir, defending critical infrastructure from airborne threats. The Pantasir is a mobile air defense system mounted on a truck chassis, typically a Ural 532-348x8, 6568x8, or MAN SX-45, which provides it with great mobility across various terrains. The system has 12 57E6 or 57E6E surface-to-air missile launchers and 2 dual 30mm to A38M automatic cannons. These weapons allow the system to respond effectively to threats at varying distances. The Pantasir missile has a range of 1 to 12 kilometers, while the 30mm automatic cannons can engage targets between 0.2 and 4,000 meters. These characteristics make it a versatile system capable of neutralizing fast-moving aerial targets, such as drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles, at different distances. Many countries worldwide have deployed the Pantasir S-1, including Algeria, Iran, Iraq, Russia, and the United Arab Emirates. It has sophisticated accessories, such as radio controls with direction finding or infrared systems and autonomous acquisition and tracking radars. These detection systems allow the Pantasir to operate independently, without external support, to detect and engage aerial targets. The Pantasir S-1 system combat vehicle carries 12 missiles and 1404 rounds, while the transport loading vehicle holds 24 missiles and 2808 rounds. The system can engage targets moving at speeds up to 1000 meters per second, with the missiles traveling at speeds up to 1,300 meters per second. Each combat vehicle can simultaneously engage up to 4 targets. The system's fire rate is 12 to 16 targets per minute and its hit probability is up to 0.9. Its reaction time is 4 to 6 seconds, shielding Putin against Ukrainian aerial threats. Since the beginning of the Ukraine war, Russia has been fortifying its air defense systems against Kyiv's drones. The Ukrainian hacker group Cyber Resistance leaked the location of Russian Pantsir air defense systems. Apart from protecting the state buildings, including the Ministry of Defense offices, the roof-mounted Pantsir S-1 has been deployed on towers 3.7 kilometers away from Vladimir Putin's residence on Valdai Lake, according to updated Google Earth imagery from 6 May 2024. The system is efficient and can operate under harsh environmental conditions, withstanding wind speeds up to 30 meters per second, temperatures ranging from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity up to 98% at 35 degrees Celsius. It remains operational at altitudes up to 3,000 meters, in rain intensities up to 5 millimeters per H, and in dust concentrations up to 2.5 gm superscript 3. This makes it well suited for India, which has an operational area extending from the Himalayan mountains to the deserts of Rajasthan. The US has been so intrigued by the air defense system that in June 2020, it smuggled a Pantsir S-1 out of Libya after it was captured from forces aligned with Russia-backed Khalifa Haftar. The US forces reportedly transferred the Pantsir S-1 from Zuvara International Airport to Ramstein Air Base in Germany.